Okay guys, today I am working on a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. Excellent condition. A little shunt here. Got it filling up. Pretty heavy jeans and towels load. We're going to let it fill up, run through the cycle. I'm going to show you, obviously you see that it's filling up. I'll let you listen to it agitate, which is this guy here. Should spin freely one way, not back the other way. That's how you know this is working properly. If it spins freely in both directions, this is not working and your clothes aren't actually getting clean. That applies for this type of washer with the agitator. So you get to hear it, see it working, agitating strong. I'll show you that the drain pump works, that lid switch works, and that it sounds great when it's spinning the water out of those clothes. Then when it's done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. I'm going to show you that the dryer sounds great, works great, and is heating properly. Now the washers get a 28-point inspection, the dryers get a 22-point inspection. Make sure everything works perfectly before it leaves my care. Electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked. So we'll let this finish filling up and we'll come back for some agitation. All right, we moved on to the agitation. See, it's working perfectly, nice, strong. Sounds great. Alright, now the drain is running. You can hear it draining out of there or not. It's on the first rinse and spin. So next it's going to go into the rinse cycle. So here it's starting to spin on that first rinse cycle. Lift that up, you'll see. Lid switch works. Okay, we'll wait for that final spin cycle. Alright, now we're on the final spin here. It's getting up to full speed. You see it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Nice balanced load. And when I open the lid, it's going to shut it down, but you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. There you go, and it comes to a stop. Alright, we'll let that finish out and we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now I've got those clothes loaded up in this dryer here. Go ahead and close that. We're just going to do time dry, high heat, hit go. You can hear them tumbling in there. Otherwise, nice, smooth operation. Nice and quiet. And I'm going to show you real quick that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So with my temperature gun right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a measurement of temperature. So it's about 67 on the dryer, or excuse me, 76 on the dryer, 71 on the floor. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Right inside the heating element tube, we'll grab a measurement. You see plenty of heat coming out of there. Take a picture. So this right here can get pretty hot, and then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on what you have the settings set at. Because if you have it set to air fluff, or maybe you've got it on low heat for some of those delicates, then you get a little bit different drying temperature. So that's going to do it on that guy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. You'll have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.